again, going to show you how to change the spark plug in Honda mower. So, got this, well, it's supposed to be a genuine Honda spark plug off Amazon. Sure, any local garage would do it, or hardware store. So, that's your spark plug, the washer on the bottom. So, and here it is on the mower. Here's the spark plug. Pull the cap off to reveal your spark plug. That's it there. It's the top end of it. So, got a spark plug socket, should I say. And there's a rubber cap in it. Could be a bit tight there to get it out, but that's it loose. It should come out by hand once you have it loose. It should come out okay by hand. This spark plug's been in this mower for a while. I should do it every year, but I don't. So look at the difference, old and new. You can see why it's cutting out sometimes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new spark plug into place. I'm not gonna put in the ratchet. It's a bit far in to reach by hand, so I'm gonna put in the socket without the ratchet, and I'm gonna start it off by hand. Make sure I'm in the right thread. That's it started. If there's any resistance at all, don't force it. It's on the wrong thread. So tighten it by hand, and then the ratchet, give it a couple of turns, make sure it's tight. And a wee rubber lad to hold it in place inside the socket. And the wire, pop it on. And that's it, ready to go. Old spark plug out, new spark plug in. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.